Alrighty guys, it's time to start this episode out. We've got a lot going on today. As you can see, we're rocking the Jegs hat today. Boom, gotta go check out those guys. Super cool company. So today what we got going on is we are finishing out the fill-in panels there on alongside of the firewall. Now you guys kind of got to see what the finished product is going to look like, and this episode we're going to show you guys how we actually came up with that. So on the passenger side, we're going to go step by step so you guys can see the sheet metal come to life. So let's get after it. Alrighty guys, so we're over here on the passenger side now, and you can see this big nasty gaping hole, and there's the driver's side over there. You can kind of see how we've cleaned all that up. So now back over here again, so here's our template, and again we kind of got to make it look like that side over there. So you can kind of look right here and see what we got to work with here. So we got to kind of come up with something kind of like that and get it fitted in there, and I think it's going to look pretty cool. Then make our rounded piece right here, and we're just going to keep on rocking here. Alright, well, it's time to go over there and see what Jesse's up to. I hear him sanding over there, so we're going to see what all he's into. Alright guys, so we're over here with Mr. Jesse. He's over here wet sanding some more, trying to get this dash all smoothed up. Sometimes this takes many steps of trying to get it looking just right. Mr.
Trial and error, man.
That's right. That's right. But he's got it looking good. Well, that's enough of that. We're going to go eat us some steaks and then get right back on it.
You'll have to tell me up just one time.
That's right. It's time to eat.
That's it, brother.
What do you think about all this, Hannah?
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat.
It's hungry.
I'm about to whip you on the
How can
shape.
you eat
That's right.
smelling that dog's breath? That's impressive.
Alright guys, to be able to work on the full metal goat, you gotta have some tackle and fuel. We're cooking up some steaks right now. Got the little shop dog out here with us. Hannah, she's out here with us helping us. Jesse, he's out here.
Yeah, man.
We gotta fuel him up. He's been working night shift, so he's kind of tired right now.
I'm in rough shape.
Rough shape. So we gotta fuel him up, and we're gonna eat these big old steaks, and then we're gonna get right back on the GTO. Okay guys, well, we are back at it over here. We just got done eating our steaks there, and it's time to cut this panel out here. So we got it all marked out here, and it's time to get after it and cut some sheet metal.
It's what's wound up doing in the garage.
Nothing to see here. Your manager's about to get on you.
That's right. They're getting back to work. Straight up. Let that dry up a little bit. Next coat, make that lay down real good. Poor man's paint job. Woo! Alright guys, it is time to do some
done welded. It's time to get to it. Let's get it. Boom, guys, we just got this bad boy welded up and it's looking awesome. I'm way more happier with this and a whole lot stronger, whole lot cleaner, and now we got a good mounting surface to go off of. So we can go ahead and start making these fill-ins here on each side, and this thing is looking good. Alrighty guys, man, you can kind of see what all we got going on here. Still got to make another one of these fill-in panels. I didn't get the first one right. We got too many areas and too many lines missed, so we'll have to go back and make another one of those. But now we can at least see what we got going on overall, and I think that's going to look really nice and clean. You know, there's our open area, and then you can see it all closed up. But we're going to keep on rocking here. We're going to wrap it up for tonight and then get back into it tomorrow. And it's been a long night. Mr. Jesse, man, thank you for tonight, brother. We've been hitting it hard.
I'm telling you, man, I've had 2 hours of sleep in 24 hours.
You're looking like you have.
I'm dragging.
Well, let's get some rest and then we'll pick right back up in the morning and we'll keep on rocking, guys. But we're going to keep after it and we're going to rock and roll. Alrighty guys, man, we just remade that piece there and this thing is looking so good. Very nice and tight, looking good, fitting good, and it's time to wrap this bad boy up here. Alrighty guys, before we wrap it up, we definitely got to do something new here. I think it's gonna be kind of cool. I want to get you guys involved. So the thing is this, so I want to get the car family together, meaning I want to see your projects. I want you guys to send me on Facebook Messenger. Send me from like a minute to 2 minutes, 2 minutes maximum of a video, either about your car. You can edit it however you want to. You know, tell me about it. I want to see it. I want to see what projects you guys are working on. And we have one of those videos right now I'm going to show you. So let's check out Jesse Ray's super cool car and what all he's got going on. We're going to be seeing him at the Street Car Takeover very, very soon at Bristol. So let's check out and see what he's got going on.
Hey guys, Jesse right here with my 69 Nova. See you guys at Street Car Takeover with Houston Kilby and his Full Metal Goat. Let's take a look at here. Currently in the paint booth, getting painted up. As you can see, we're doing some fiberglass work here. It's pretty nasty stuff. He actually had the front end was off the car and got run over with a golf cart. So, yeah, if you can imagine. Fiberglass front end on the car. We're going to put the real headlights and bezels and grill in the car. The car is going, if you want to look it up, it's a 2018 F-150. It's called Leadfoot Gray. That's what color the car is going. And touch up, paint the inside black. On the tubs. Yes, it will be hot, but it will look good. But it is a back half car. Big block Chevy motor in it. It's covered up right now for the paint. Let's see if we can take a sneak peek here. Just a little peek there. Put that right on there. We get paint on the car, on the motor. The dust from this fiberglass is a mess. Go. See what the car looks like there. It will be a completely different car. So we're excited, guys, for a Street Car Takeover coming up.
Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching Jesse's video there. You guys be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also be sure to pick up one of our new t-shirts. Those things are selling like crazy. You do not want to miss out on that. We are getting closer and closer to the streetcar takeover, and guys, I'm so excited about showing you guys all of this off of what all we've got done and how far we're going to get on this thing. So you guys stay tuned, and let's keep rocking and rolling.